Are you struggling with coding because you keep making mistakes upon mistakes? Pause. Take a deep breath, then release. Well, the truth is, you're not alone. Learning to code can be exciting, but also super frustrating when things just don't work. If you're a beginner or even an experienced programmer, chances are you're making at least one of these common mistakes that every new programmer makes. But don't worry, I'm going to break down each of the 5 mistakes and show you how to avoid them like a pro programmer. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1: skipping the basics. A lot of beginners dive straight into advanced stuff like game development, machine learning, or building apps without really understanding how loops or functions work. Believe it or not, I've seen people who just started their programming journey say they're going to start by building an AI model. While that is a very good ambition to have, that ambition is going to need a foundation. For instance, suppose you are a construction worker and it's your task to construct a very tall skyscraper. Would you immediately start building the skyscraper? No, that's not realistic. A foundation has to be laid first before the building process begins. The same goes for your programming journey. In my previous video, which you should totally check out by the way, I mentioned how different programming languages aren't all that different. I also mentioned certain syntax or structures most programming languages usually have, and they are variables, loops, functions, and conditional statements. While I won't go too deep into that aspect, I will say this: you have to build a strong foundation so that when things do get complicated, you're ready to face the challenge. Moving on to the next mistake. Mistake number 2: writing messy code. Now, just because your code runs doesn't mean it's good. If your future self or someone else can't read it, it's basically useless. But you might ask,
Well, Max, if my code is messy, how do I make it look crisp and clean?
good question. There are some important things you can do to make your code look clean and professional. Let me show you what I mean. Using this simple Python code as an example, a equals 5, b equals 10, c equals a plus b, and then we print c. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't seem to understand what A, B, or C is. I mean, if you were to take a break, go to sleep, and come back to this code tomorrow, you might just go, huh? However, cleaner code looks more like this. Number of apples equals 5. Number of bananas equals 10. Total fruits equals number of apples plus number of bananas. Then, the result of the total is printed out. Makes more sense, doesn't it? That's what clean code means: naming things clearly, organizing your code, and making it readable. You don't need to be perfect, but try to write your code like you're explaining it to someone else. Even just adding a quick comment can make your future self very grateful. Let's talk about the next common mistake. Mistake number 3: overcomplicating things. When you're new, it's easy to overthink simple problems or try to sound smart with complex code. Don't worry, we've all been there. You might want to make your code so complex that when others see it, they're fascinated. However, there's no need for that. Remember, we just talked about clean, professional code. Overcomplicating it may not make you look as cool as you think. Rather, it makes it difficult for others to understand your code. It's like building a simple IKEA chair, but instead of following the instructions, you pull out a drill, a saw, and start designing your own blueprint. Sure, you might end up with a chair or a very confused piece of wood. The point is, don't reinvent the wheel. Use simple tools and methods that already work. Trust me, As you get into the deeper and more complicated parts of programming, you'll be looking for easier methods and tools to use in your code. So, why not stick to simplifying your code? Trust me, it will help you in the future. Here's another mistake I see all the time. Mistake number 4: trying to learn everything at once. A lot of beginners try to learn 10 things at once: front end, back end, AI, data science, all in the same week. To be honest, even in a day. Okay, maybe that last part was an over exaggeration, but you get the point. Slow down, superhero. Pick one language, stick to one path, and go deep. It's better to be good at one thing than be confused by everything. It's a good ambition to want to learn everything, and I know that feeling. However, that's not the way to go about it. If you try doing everything at once, your progress will end up being slowed, and you might not learn the things you need to. Rome wasn't built in a day. This is a classic reminder that great things take time. My advice is follow a certain path in your programming journey, in which each step builds on the preceding step. This way, even though it might seem slow at times, you're making good and steady progress. A website great for just that is freecodecamp.org. This website is great for enhancing your technical skills with a linear, world-class, project-based curriculum. With such a curriculum, you can visibly see the progress you're making. It's also great for improving your coding skills and knowledge. Link in the description below. Next up on the list is mistake number 5: not asking for help. Some beginners feel like they have to figure it all out on their own. But struggling alone isn't the move. Use Google. Ask questions. Join communities. Every programmer learns from others. It's normal. The best programmers learn from others. They didn't grow by themselves. They took support from others, either physically or online. I think it's important I say this now. You will never know everything. None of us will. No matter how good of a programmer someone is, there are still some things they won't know, and that's okay. That's why tools like Google, coding communities, and forums exist. The best thing to do is keep building your skills. However, just because you won't know everything doesn't mean you should make the excuse not to put in the effort. No. Keep putting in the effort, and you might just become the programmer you feel satisfied with. In conclusion, as beginners or even experienced programmers, common mistakes such as skipping the basics, writing messy code, overcomplicating things, trying to learn everything at once, and not asking for help are made. However, these mistakes can be avoided. The key is to learn the basics to create a solid foundation. Make your code clear and concise. Avoid overcomplication. Take it one step at a time, and don't try to figure out everything on your own. Applying these pieces of advice will help out in your programming journey. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing so you won't miss any of my future videos. If you want to enjoy more of my videos, check out my playlist. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.